It's an 800-pound behemoth, and it's loose in the Washington State Forest, spinning at a blinding 200 miles per hour. It's taking down everything in its path. It's the circular saw blade on the John Deere 959J, and it means business. This blade, which at close range sounds more like a jet engine than a saw, takes 1 second to blow through an 18-inch diameter tree. Its carbide teeth are bolted to a huge circular blade that dishes out punishment for up to 10,000 hours, cutting down as many as 2 million trees before workers have to swap it out.
It's a hardened steel blade that is balanced during the manufacturing process, much like the flywheel on an engine or the tires on your car, so that it spins freely and spins balanced.
Spinning at 1,200 RPM, this huge saw blade severs a tree completely before the grab arms clasp it.
If you actually clamp onto a tree and cut it, you can induce some stress into the tree and actually cause some damage to the tree. And as a result, you're never clamping onto the tree until after it's cut.
The whole rig, the 959J, is commonly known as a feller buncher. Its specs: 90,000 pounds, 294 horsepower, hydraulics that tilt the cab, and an 8,700-pound cutting head that rotates 310 degrees. All this versatility and power is at the service of one thing: finding a way to level that blade into fresh wood cleanly every time. There's more to cutting than just speed and sharpness. Designers have made the saw's teeth wider than the body of the blade. As they cut, they clear a kerf, a channel that allows the blade to pass without friction and binding. Creating a kerf, or clearance for the blade, is critical for the performance of any saw. A skilled feller buncher operator like Dale Stoken is a multitasker, maneuvering and stabilizing his machine on steep, slippery ground as he hews down trees, threads them through the canopy's obstacle course, and piles them like so many matchsticks. In this $600,000 feller buncher, Dale can cut down anywhere from 100 to 200 trees an hour. But how do you stay safe while you're harvesting trees as tall as 20-story buildings?
These polycarbonate windows are literally bulletproof, and so they're meant to withstand the impact from debris and trees that may come down out here in the woods.
I haven't had any trees fall on this machine yet. Tops, rotten pieces, and snags, a lot of dead wood in the stand of timber. They bang on it, but